We'll just hear today on the state's suit for modification of child support order. Both parties have been served. I do have a proposed order from the state. However, parties do not agree to the who is to provide the medical insurance. I can state the terms of the proposed order and take testimony from the parties.
You may.
Thank you, Judge. There's one child in this case, Jaden Austin, born January 11th, 2009. Father would be ordered to provide or to maintain the child on medical insurance through a third-party source through the marketplace. Father would be ordered to pay guideline child support of $378 per month beginning June 1st.
What was that?
$378.
Okay.
Beginning June 1st, 2025. Court costs of today's proceedings will be billed to the father. There's no request for non-disclosure, and that is the extent of the terms. Judge, if I may call the parties.
You may.
I'll start with the mother, Ms. Mackintyre. Could you please state your full name?
It's Tatiana Mackintyre.
And ma'am, did you hear the terms of the order read to the court?
I did.
Do you understand those terms?
I sure do.
And besides the issue of the Mr. Austin providing the child support, you agree that those terms are in the best interest of your child?
They are.
And are you agreeable with the judge signing this order today without your signature?
Yes, sir.
And do you know how Jaden is currently covered with medical insurance?
And yes.
How is he?
Through the marketplace, through Dad.
And do you also have insurance available for Jaden through your employer?
I do.
Would it be your preference to add Jaden to the insurance provided through your employer?
I would.
And why is that?
Due to the tax implications at the end of the year when I file, the marketplace has me take in that credit or that debt that he is accruing through taking that marketplace policy.
So are you stating that it's costing you money as well on your taxes for Mr. Austin to have them on insurance through the marketplace?
Right. I have to jump through hoops with the IRS to get that off of me every year. And it takes about 8 months to do. Absolutely.
And do you know how much it would cost about to have Jaden added to your insurance?
About $300 for the family.
And do you know what that would be about? How many total would that be on that plan if it was to include Jaden?
4.
So about maybe about $75 per person.
Correct.
Okay. Are there any other reasons you'd like the court to consider why you should be ordered to maintain Jaden on insurance through your employer?
That's it.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor, if I could call the father.
I have a question for her, Mr. Leach. Ma'am, do you already have insurance on your family through your employer?
I have it just on me, but I can add him if that's necessary.
Okay, so you have more than one child?
I do.
If you don't mind me asking, how is that child insured?
They are insured by their dad.
Okay.
So 2 separate fathers.
Okay, I got it. Just out of curiosity. Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Leach.
Mr. Austin, could you please state your full name?
Samuel Austin.
And so did you hear the terms of the order read to the court?
I did.
Do you understand those terms?
I do.
And are you in agreement with those terms and believe that they're in the best interest of your child?
Regarding the support or regarding the insurance?
Regarding the support and if you were to maintain Jaden on your insurance through the marketplace.
Yes, I do agree. Yes.
Okay. And are you agreeable to the judge signing this order today without your signature?
Yes.
Okay. And you currently have Jaden on insurance through the marketplace. Is that correct?
Correct.
And how long have you had him on insurance through the marketplace?
4 years.
Okay. And you're requesting today that you just be ordered to keep maintaining him on that insurance in the marketplace?
Yes.
And are you aware of the issues Ms. McIntyre testified to with regarding her taxes and the marketplace insurance?
Yes.
And are you aware of what may be causing those issues?
Yes, I am.
Could you briefly explain to the court what that may be?
Sure, no problem. So yes, I have my son on insurance through the marketplace. Is Baylor Scott and White is the actual insurance provider. And when you go through the marketplace, it's a government product, and the way you pay, it pays through your taxes, which comes on my taxes, which I sent you the 1095-A that I'm responsible for it. So I believe she said when she files her taxes, they are requesting that document. So I send that document over to her, and so that it notifies that I actually claim him through the marketplace and not she. So that's the issue that she's referring to.
I pass the witness. No further questions, Your Honor. I'll just ask for a ruling regarding which party is to provide the health insurance.
Okay. Mr. Austin, have you always been the person that's provided the health insurance for Jaden?
Yes, since 2009.
Okay. So then I will accept the agreed portions of this order, make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will order that dad continue to provide private health insurance provide health insurance through another source, which is the marketplace. Does anyone have any questions?
I do not.
I do.
Yes, ma'am.
I had an additional question over college expenses in relation to our order. Is this something, so currently Jaden is a junior, but he's taking dual credit classes. So now I do have college costs. I just want to know how it's handled through our order.
Well, I'm not sure. You'd have to read the order to see how that's handled. But in Texas, child support goes through 18 or the child graduates from high school. It does not include the cost of college. That's something you and Mr. Austin are going to have to get together on and agree. Unless there were some special provisions written in your order about college, there are no provisions for college.
Well, he's 16 and taking college courses.
I understand. And all Mr. Austin is obligated to do is pay his child support. So like
Understood.
I said, if you're looking for help with his college courses, that's something you and Mr. Austin are going to have to discuss and agree upon. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Anything further?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Okay. Then now that I've made my ruling, I'm not the last word on this. This is out of the 302nd District Court. You have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. Now that I've given you that information, does anyone have any questions?
No questions.
All right. Then thank you both for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.